another dude. His name is Kiran. He's a rapper. I think he's one. So he's a little crackhead, okay. And he has only one lung. He has only one lung.
Where is the other one?
Other one's like gone.
Then how is it functioning?
He's like, I mean, he has both the lungs and one has some problem like half part as well. But he gets smokes.
Wow.
And uska because of the cold and because of the rain and uska brain freeze हुआ accident हुआ ना Odyssey was stop. No. I motivated him and like bro come bro we are back. So Walter was also with me, you know Walter, right? Joseph. No. Drummer.
See, I forget the instrument.
He's a photographer also, so I'm like, bro, he's like all the experience he had.
He was in the media team also.
Yeah. So with all the experiences he had, it's like, bro, if I give $1 million also, I get this experience again. It's crazy.
So peaceful. What's the
Deer, no? Call it deer.
उनके पोस्टर में लगाया हुआ था.
Like, don't look down, okay? Just be still.
Ignoring the bliss.
Nothing happens. You can like go home. Take this.